The biggest ones I've done so far are like 2 or 3 minutes. And it seems like it takes 2 or 3 minutes to download a 2 or 3 minute video. Morning. Morning. Oops, sorry. Had to scratch my nose. No. Better been a drop of rain.
Do you want to go to the rock?
Almost at the halfway point. And I might have felt the first drop of rain. This is Trolley Barn Park. The kids grew up here. We had a lot of good memories here. Friday night concerts at the park. We lived a lot closer, and this was their park. Okay. We get to the corner up here, and that'll be the halfway point. I don't know about these clouds. GoPro, when you put it in the media mod, it's not waterproof anymore. So if it starts raining, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. These posts are the halfway point. "25 minutes and 45 seconds for the halfway point." Usually I'm at a 23 something. I can see the GoPro jiggling around. Oh, this. I am going to guess on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being an excellent video, I'm going to say 2, 3. Gotta remember, I've got to remember that videos that I see on YouTube are the ones. Morning. Did you catch it? But videos on YouTube that the algorithm push to the top, usually pretty dang good. And any videos like that I do, like this one, morning, going to be pretty dang bad, and not too many people going to be looking at them. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yesterday, it really poured here, and rather than do this walk, I went to the YMCA and did this walk. It's a little over 2 miles. It's like 2.16 or something like that. But yesterday it was raining so hard, I went to the Y and walked 2 miles on the treadmill. That was the most boring thing I'd done in a long time. To go more than 40 minutes not looking at anything. Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good.
And I don't know how people do that. Get on a treadmill and just go. Yeah, it was a blue sky when I left, and it's one of the things with Southern California is one of the things they said is, don't like the weather, wait a couple days. It goes from hot to cold, and now we're going from sunny to rainy. We've had a lot of rain recently. It's kind of weird that we're getting this weather, because it's spring break, and for some reason, more times than not, during spring break when everybody comes to San Diego for the fine weather, the weather is absolutely lousy, and as soon as spring break is over, it gets real nice again. And right now, we are on spring break, and the weather, it is lousy. Heart rate at 117. See how I can get around this puddle here. Got it. Place across the street it used to be called Twigs, and every Saturday night they'd have music. Hannah would go sing. I don't know.
Now he's gone.
Sounds so weird, but you know, that infamous little saying, the good old days. I think Morning.
Good morning.
I do believe, for me at least, there were good old days in the, life 20, 30 years ago seemed simpler than now. Oh, this is the Park House Eatery. A lot of memories eating at the Park House Eatery. Danielle and I had a really good time. You know, one thing I didn't check the battery on this GoPro. It's supposed to be able to hold 45. We'll see. I don't know if it was full when I started though. This is the Buddha temple. I remember one of the first times we went in there with little Hannah, my daughter, she saw the monks and her first comment out of her mouth was, "Nice haircut." Morning. Alright, that's gotta be at least 10, probably 15.